Flyer Nuova presents Magic Vac, a complete line of portable, practical and extraordinary kitchen appliances for vacuum packing and preserving food. Here are some basic instructions for using your Maxima. These procedures are further explained in the printed manual you'll find inside the package. Before use, always thoroughly clean your Maxima and any accessories coming in contact with food such as canisters and jars with universal caps. You're now ready to start operation. The bag rolls are available in two widths, 20 and 30 centimeters. Alternatively, you can choose to use a ready cut bag. Plug the power cord of the Maxima into an electrical outlet after making sure your power supply matches the voltage rating of the machine. Choose the desired bag size and place the roll in the bag holder with the smooth side facing up. Unroll a portion, making sure that the bag you'll be cutting is at least 8 centimeters longer than the food you wish to package. Close the lid. Depress the bag cutter, hold it down and slide it across the bag to cut a clean, straight edge. Lift the lid to remove the cut bag and place the roll back into its holder. Now you have to seal one open end of the cut bag. To do so, set the vacuum level knob to max and set the sealing time knob to 7. Place the open end of the cut bag on the sealing strip with the smooth side facing up. Be careful not to let the bag hang over into the vacuum chamber. Lower the lid completely. With the palm of first one hand and then the other, press down firmly on both buttons, lock position, until the lid is securely closed. Press the on-off switch. The green light will go on inside the switch. When the vacuum gauge light turns green, Maxima will seal the bag automatically. The yellow light near the on-off switch will stay on during the whole sealing process. When the bag is sealed, the lid releases automatically. Lift the lid and remove the bag with the sealed end. Check the seal. A correct seal will show as a smooth, straight stripe without wrinkles. Thereafter, set sealing time back to 5 if you intend to seal more bags. Alternatively, you can choose to use a ready cut bag. You can now fill the bag with food, taking care to wipe off any liquid or food particles from the area to be sealed. To vacuum pack, lift the lid and place the open end of the filled bag into the vacuum chamber. Smooth it along the sealing strip, making sure to eliminate any folds. Close the lid and push down firmly on the two buttons, lock position. Press the on-off switch. When the vacuum gauge light turns green, Maxima will finish the vacuum cycle automatically and then seal the bag automatically. Lift the lid and remove the bag, which now has both ends sealed. Check the new seal. In case of wrinkles, repeat the process. To open a vacuum seal bag, place the flat seal of the bag beyond the sealing strip, close the lid, depress the bag cutter, hold it down and slide it across the bag. The man seal button immediately starts the sealing process and overrides the selected vacuum level. This allows you to seal at any time and prevent the vacuum from crushing delicate foods. Hold the man seal button down until the yellow light turns off and the Maxima stops. This will manually complete the sealing process. The Man Vac button overrides the selected vacuum level. To pull more air from a bag and create a higher degree of vacuum, press and hold down the Man Vac button until the desired level of vacuum is reached. Then release the button and the machine will seal the bag automatically. Certain types of food may be more appropriate for storage in special canisters or glass containers. Connect the Magic Vac cap attachment by pushing one of the vacuum hose nozzles firmly into the cap attachment. Push the other end firmly into the hose port on the machine lid. When using canisters and jars with universal caps, make sure that containers are not filled to the top. Leave at least a 3 cm space at the top for the vacuum to operate properly. Make sure that both the rim of the container and the seal of the cap are clean and free of food particles. Turn the knob on top of the cap to vacuum. When using canisters or universal jar lids, place the cap attachment over the container cap. Push down firmly on the cap attachment to secure its correct positioning. If you're using jars with metal caps, place the cap attachment directly over the jar top and cap and push it down firmly. Turn the vacuum level knob clockwise to max. Turn the sealing time knob counterclockwise to 1. Push down firmly on the 2 buttons on both sides of the lid and turn the on-off switch to on. When the vacuum gauge light turns green, the machine will stop automatically. Pull out the end of the vacuum hose nozzle from the hose port. Pull the cap attachment up to remove it from the jar or canister. Turn the knob to closed. This will lock the vacuum in. To open canisters and containers with universal caps, turn the arrow on the knob to open. For more detailed information, please refer to the operating manual that you'll find in each Maxima package. Thank you for your attention and enjoy your meal. Warning: vacuum packaging extends the life of foodstuffs considerably, but cannot on its own ensure effective preservation. In fact, perishable foods must always be immediately refrigerated or placed in a freezer. Pre-packed foods must always be consumed by the best before date shown on the original package. They must also be handled with the greatest care and in conditions of utmost hygiene during repackaging. This table shows data resulting from an objective study conducted on behalf of AITA, Food Technology Association, by Professor Luciano Piergiovanni, Professor of Agri-Food Product Conditioning and Distribution Technologies at Milan University, where Magic Vac was tested. For more detailed information, please refer to the Vacuum Preservation Operating Manual that you will find in each Maxima package.